Our research is about making it possible to analyze data, to learn from data, and to share data without threatening the privacy of the individuals whose data we're analyzing. What we are interested in is what kind of metrics we can use for privacy and for the utility of the analysis. The main problem we're solving is how we can have data accessible for analysis without threatening the privacy of the individuals. And we can do that in a few different ways. We can look at the data collection. We can see how we can transform the data itself so it can be analyzed in a privacy-preserving way. We can devise algorithms, a mechanism for the learning and the analysis itself. And then we can have privacy guarantees and metrics for utility to share the data. And this is an example of health data, a fictitious example. And we want to de-identify this record and take away any potentially sensitive information. We do this by machine learning that automatically marks up the places that are sensitive, and then we can choose to replace that information here by just XXX, for example. The main research question, I would say, is how we can give privacy guarantees while keeping the utility of any data analysis as high as possible, so that analysis that we enable is still useful. I see endless opportunities, because if we can get data for analysis that has not been accessible before due to privacy concerns, then we can learn from this data and we can make decisions based on facts and better information. We can improve, for example, health diagnostics, and we can increase the knowledge in science overall.